This small mistake is why you are not seeing results. Before you start a YouTube channel, I need you to stop for just a few minutes. Most new creators do not fail because they are not talented. They fail because they make few simple mistakes that kills their channel silently, even before YouTube ever get a chance to start recommending it. I don't want that to happen to you. In this video, I will be showing you 7 biggest mistakes beginners make and what to do instead. Hello everyone, I am Promzy. Welcome to Content Creation Academy, where I help beginners to start, grow, and monetize their channel using simple strategies and AI-powered tools. If you are serious about building YouTube into an income stream and not just posting video for fun, then you are on the right place. Let us dive straight into the mistakes beginners make that kills their channel. Number 1, starting without a mission. Most people think YouTube starts with the camera. No, it is. YouTube starts with a purpose. Ask yourself, why do anyone subscribe to my channel? Not why do I need subscribers? There are big difference. People subscribe to your channel because they find out that your channel will give them value in the future. Your channel will help them in the future. They subscribe for the value being shared through your channel and not just because you upload one good video. Now, for example, if today you post football, tomorrow you post politics, next tomorrow you post cooking, your channel, nobody knows what to expect again in your channel. And this makes your audience to be confused. Instead, become one thing. Let them know your channel for one thing. Listen, if I visit your channel today and I can't tell what the channel is all about, that means that is the first thing you have to fix. Let people know what your channel is all about immediately they visit your channel. Number 2, copying big creators. Most beginners believe copying big creators like Mr. Beast will make them successful. No. What YouTube don't have is you. YouTube already have Mr. Beast. So what YouTube don't have is you. Don't become a clone of successful creators, but learn from successful creators. Number 3, ignoring your thumbnail. Imagine writing the best book ever written and nobody opens the book. This is what happens when your thumbnail does not earn a single click or earn a low click. Your thumbnail has one job: to get attention, not explaining everything. Many beginners fall into the victim of putting too many text, wordings, colors, arrows, circle lines, and thereabout in the thumbnail. And if they think, because they think when their thumbnail get busier with text, images, and so on, it gets attention. No, keep it simple. One emotion, one message, one focus. Every new creator falls into this victim of having a busy thumbnail, including me. Looking back at my first thumbnail when I started YouTube, they are very busy with no focus, no emotion, no message, always busy. But as gradually you keep improving, the more you post, your goal is always on improving one thing at a time. Looking at my thumbnail, I can also improve this thumbnail by reducing the words and making it more focused and making the message clearer. Number 4, expecting viral success. Most channels do not explode, they compound. Take every of your video as another chance to learn. Your first goal should not be 1 million subscribers, it should be 10 better videos. Every time you upload a video, the next video should be better than the former video you uploaded. Number 5, uploading without learning analytics. Analytics are not scary. Don't look at your YouTube studio and be scared of the lines drawn on your analytics. Analytics are feedback and it shows you how your video or your channel is performing. Learn these numbers: your click-through rate, which is your CTR, your average video duration, your watch time, and your returning viewers. Those 4 metrics tells you everything about your channel. Number 6, waiting for the perfect equipment. I need studio, I need expensive lights, I need expensive camera. No, what you need is to start. The biggest creator around the world, they didn't start with expensive gadgets. They started with their phone. What matters most is the message, not the expensive equipment. So you need to start. Number 7, quitting too early. This is the biggest mistake. Most beginners quit before even YouTube begin to understand their channel or know their audience. They quit. And in YouTube, the more you post, YouTube continues to learn about your channel continuously. So when you quit early before YouTube even identify your audience, learning stop. The learning stop immediately you quit. So give yourself enough time to improve. I want to be honest with you. Recently, I rebranded my own channel. That meant starting over in many ways. New audience, new direction. It's not always comfortable, but I believe building something valuable for creators. So instead of chasing quick views, I'm committed to building a channel that teaches people how to create content, how to use AI tools, and turn YouTube into an income stream. And I would love for you to be part of that journey. If I were to start a new YouTube channel today, I will do these 5 things. Number 1, pick one niche. Number 2, upload twice a week. Number 3, learn from every videos. Number 4, improve one thing every upload. Number 5, never compare my day one to someone's 10 years or most. If today's video helped you to avoid mistakes that could cost you several months of frustration, then this channel is for you. Every week, I'll be sharing practical strategies, AI tools, and real lessons from building this channel. If that sounds valuable to you, then this channel is for you. Subscribe to this channel, and before you leave, tell me in the comments, what is the biggest challenge stopping you from starting or growing your YouTube channel? I read all comments, and your answer might inspire my next video. Thank you for watching this video up to this time. See you again in my next video. Thank you.